Climate change huyuyaw na nafasem आपको मांगी ताकुच climate change o ya lupa ong sabol machail takayakan men kai ruach huyaw tar puen sabol sekin komu takuch climate change o ya momonomi mor e bangkak puita tawaktak la on climate change na nafasem.
FSM Adaptation Fund Project Creating Resilience. FSM Alethiyar Project Urban Adaptation Fund Matangi Enhancing and Climate Change Resilient and Vulnerable Highland Communities in Federated States and Micronesia. So was a project which mean USD million to our Beban Rekisam Bar Payus and Barriakisak to all the Barriakatresax. Tame project which Toktoka Puenkawata Kama Metoktoka Kawalakan, Bebang Parata Sankarakar Laut, Nolatan who said. Songan nurakaparkan o bilang aku uyapan awali pi. Kapakan duman ro plan in nyawitan plan. Nech piltokas sawa song liyakan buaray lanan and pilsansan and project kan o ananakan ng climate change. Outapin project which mayangaki yonon o yatatankin pil o self-compositing human kainin, lebaw nyawi Pohnpei nan kapangamarangi o nukuwaro, nan nyap pon walay o yurubuk, o nanchuk po sa tawan o nukunor. May bangkatoki project which ay rail John Kusano, bangkawit rail, semekan o kaunan Kusano. John Kusano panan kumatmatawan me iray mayan kitupuso bukach po ang kakailaka kusanakan and tatok pene po aray lananakan ang kaputa. Project which pilpan sa wasa Koshwai State po ang kamawiyala alan mas talan ang pumanmalan o utwe, Meuyanan lao tong Koshwai State kwa kayaramasakan o aral wasan kusanakan me an kikawalsang ni ilok o ikitan utese. Project which panyawita puen climate resilience development planakan nanway puen masin penirekan me banawali climate change na nansumere parata o dame bangkak. Mech bangkak tokayong kamumatan planakan ong planakan en kusanakan ong planakan metuache pil o telumanarar o buyabe na bali baliyese. Mech bangko santier men perere kayu me bangko ne uchungata eupene me bangko santi takachangti nanga en billion politic o kasantien way state or national governments. Sawasan project which kota sang adaptation fund kakailapen sang FSM Department and Environment Climate Change or Emergency Management or Pacific Regional Environment Program, the SPREP or Eukiyang State Government.
Aramasakan na navasam KNR climate change and sewage. And wewe kila tuan climate change kak sawase kausanakan and uyata plan mamaw o an kelail te kamawan miela po an yainso magwaktaglakan pang parata kausanakan kak kakirtache te memorche. Men kapesa wach te pakairwach ko sanga Revisab Department Environment Climate Change o Emergency.